Hey guys, I'm going to be doing a tackle since I just got back from Bucks, so let's get started. My first item is this stuff to help itching and for my pony and dogs. It was $14.99. The next thing was Mad Cow saddle soap, which was $15.50. Next was stirrup bands and leathers replacements, which were $3.50. Next was a giant bathing sponge for $2.50. And then I got start to finish horse snacks. They were $11. And then I got a black crop that was $6.99. And then last I got a purple saddle pad with dark purple and then light purple outline, which was $17.99. And then I might as well do these over here. They're my Tough Rider Jodhpurs, which are really comfy. I didn't just buy them today, but they were on my bed. And I spent $60.92. Thanks for watching. Bye.